He's enjoying his first pup. Is it yummy? Look. Is it yummy? One more? Say yes. Go for it. Good boy. Wait. All right, so we're out here at the skate park. Took the kids to get out for a few. Come here. Come here. Look what we got. We have a puppy. Okay, look, come here. Stubborn. Hey, Loki. You're just eating whatever you can find. What'd you get, bub? He was chilling in the cooler. Got some ice melting to make it extra ice cold water. It's hot, Mom. Here, you can have a soda, babe. You can have a soda. What'd you get, Loki?
Just stay on my brother's side. No, what's up?
All right, skate down, babe. Woo!
He has a ball.
We got the drone coming. He got a nice haircut. He spilled his water. What are you doing, babe? Come here.
I'm moving my train.
Are you happy we went to the skate park?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But hot.
It's hot, huh? We waited till super late in the day. He's getting into stuff. He's flying the drone.
Go, bud!
I can't wait to see these drone videos.
Oh shit, he just killed the spine.
I watched that. What?
Do it again! You did great!
This is what he can see. He really can't see it.
I can see it great.
I'm talking to the vlog, babe. The vlog can't see it. It's a pretty day out, too. A couple gray clouds, but nothing serious. Wish it was a little bit cooler. I don't know where the drone. Oh, there. Get up there. Go. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Loki. Loki. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yay! Pipe. Let's go for it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you got it.
Ow.
It's okay. He's play fighting. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's getting smart about it.
I know it's slippery. Hey, just I'm not
Okay,
doing amazing.
run up it, babe. Go run. Come on.
I'm just good at it. No more eating soda.
Brianna, move. Hey, Loki.
Alright, so apparently you're supposed to charge your batteries before you go fly, you know? Because all my batteries are dead. But I got a couple quick shots, so it is what it is. But this little dog's just chilling in the cooler. What are you doing, dog? What are you doing, dog? You're getting my soda. You're pooping on my soda.
Probably feels great though.
Yeah.
Ice. Yeah, I feel good.
You're gonna need a freaking bathtub full of ice when he's older.
Oh, I know. Look how cute he looks. He's just chill. Our current. Just look how cute. I got a cooler puppy. He's so cute.
Give it 2 months. He's gonna be so big. It's gonna be crazy.
And we will buy him a pool full of ice, like you
Pool
said.
full of ice.
He's so cute though.
Sounds expensive.
It's just water. Cold. Ooh, skate park. We had to bring the dog, but I didn't want to leave him at home. He has separation anxiety, so put him in a cooler.
Because you baby him.
I don't baby him. He babies me. He
Well,
loves me.
Now he's
You
getting
do,
hair
but
all over my soda.
rinse it off with the water. I gotta rinse mine off.
It's like, who?
Joshy hurt himself. What'd you do, bub?
I was on the swing machine while I was riding over it, and then I turned my screw up there, and then I turned my leg on it, and it fell straight down.
Yeah. He fell and smacked his knee. I think he'll be okay, right?
Mommy,
Yeah.
tell Nikki I'll see you.
Are we gonna get up and try again? Yeah? You wanna show the vlog?
Don't tell Nikki I was
Go down this little one. Go down this little one.
Down that little one.
No,
Oh, you can't do a baby one?
I want to do it. Mommy, you want to see something?
Then let's go do the big one.
Where's that guy?
Josh, you know this is being recorded. Make a funny face.
No.
Make a funny face.
You already
Oh, that one's hilarious.
I don't like it.
Oh, that one's so funny. Keep doing it.
What am I doing?
Keep doing it.
Oh,
He said, I'm leaving. Right, Daddy? Boop. There's a guy on a... I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to have dogs or smoke in here, and we're doing both. He ain't stop and say nothing.
I don't care what that guy says. Last week I seen like a 12-year-old over there smoking weed, so screw that guy.
Yeah, screw that guy. I think he was probably smoking weed on the clock. I'm just kidding.
That guy's probably the one who sold it to him.
Mommy, can I go to the bathroom?
Got a new haircut.
It's closed. Sorry, look.
Got a new haircut. This shit looks dope.
It does look really nice.
Just the sides. I fucked up my bun right here, but I'm not gonna fix it. 'cause
I
it's
could
annoying.
braid it tonight.
Could I have some
No.
of this? No.
I'll put it up for him.
Could I have some of this?
He just won't know how I do it.
Could I have some of this?
No, it's the dog water, you goof.
Wait, it doesn't say dog water.
Well, it is the dog's water.
Could I have some?
Okay, go for it.
Yeah?
Keep going. I was trying to get you doing like a trick, but never mind. All right, we are about to drop this one off at home so we can go get some food.
What do I do? Why am I going home? I want some food too.
No. Well, you said we couldn't take the dog, so we all agreed we'd drop you off at home and take the dog to go get some pup cups.
That's fucked up.
Fine, you can come with us, but maybe we should take the dog home so we could go inside. This dog is a tiny cute one. Not the big cute one. He loves me. He loves me. Look at how freaking cute he is. Look at how
Wore out.
I know, he's laying his, like, he's done. He gets so excited every time we stop at Guitar Center. I don't even know what he needs, but he was so excited when I agreed. Yep, I wonder how much money he's gonna spend. Oh. doesn't look that expensive. Video it. What'd you end up buying?
Headphone adapter splitter. So it splits and converts from my audio box. So I can plug 2 headphones
What
in.
is it?
It's pretty dope. It's only $7.
I was right. So you can plug 2 headphones in. But you're one person. Why do you need 2 headphones? It's kind of pointless, isn't it?
Well, you said you're gonna stream, so I figured last time our issue was you couldn't hear anything. So
Oh.
now we fixed the problem. You know, we can sit next to each other. You can hear both.
All right. I guess it was a good $7.
Yeah.
I guess $7 or $8. Nikki said 8.
It was about 8 after taxes,
I'd say nothing.
but it's worth
Well,
it.
one of you guys said 8. I mean, it looks pretty cool. It looks like it's easily gonna get lost.
No, I'm good about keeping my gear. I
Look
guess.
at that shitting grin.
It'll be all right. It'll just go in the drawer full of endless gear that I got. I guess.
I'm sure you have one of those somewhere, huh?
Yeah. I
Oh,
probably have like 3 of them somewhere. I just can't find them.
yep. Random car show at McDonald's.
Pretty cool car meet.
I like the
Midday car meet. They got a couple dope Mustangs. There's a nice Camaro over there.
I feel like it's too hot.
I got a Bel Air way back there. That's pretty sweet.
Oh, you can't see it now. That's pretty cool. Oh, man bun. Alright, hear me out. I am not a Karen in no way, shape, or form. The person at McDonald's Happy Meals had me so pissed off. I questioned every fucking thing on here.
It was $20 for 3 Happy Meals.
Why? Why?
And they're trying to tell us, no, it's right. We're like, it's wrong. There's no way. It's usually like $15 or something.
I buy a lot of Happy Meals. They upcharged us on every single drink. We didn't ask for fucking medium drinks for our kids that won't
Like, look
drink.
how big this fucking drink is. You think a kid her size is gonna drink this? There's no fucking way. And we didn't even ask for it. They just did it. And we're like, what? We're like, something's wrong with the price. He's like, no, everything looks right.
But like, why? And at that point, I was just ready to freaking leave before I went Karen on somebody, because I'm not a Karen.
We're not trying to be cheap, but we're just saying. $20 for 3 Happy Meals is kind of nuts.
You could go to Five Guys and get real amazing food that you can't even finish for that same price. For
Speaking
2
of
people.
Five Guys, we should go there when we leave here. We're at Super Target, by the way. It's pretty dope.
I love Five Guys.
Are you eating your expensive food?
No.
I finished my whole thing except for my trade.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're waiting to go in. See?
Super Target. It's pretty dope.
I finished all my
Yeah, we're gonna vlog in there.
Go in.
So
Did you eat?
Alright, if you're not done, close it up and we'll save it for when we get back if you want to snack on it.
Josh, did you eat?
You watching it for Adley?
Hey, babe.
Vlog.
It's vlog. Super Target.
Super Target's dope.
No, it's not.
Super Target.
Huge.
They need to get rid of those freaking, like, palm trees. That way you could
It's like-
see the whole sign.
It's like a freaking
Daddy,
mall.
can we go
Like, it goes for a while.
They have a bunch
even
of
got
little
CVS in
wrestling
there.
guys.
They got a liquor store and CVS in here.
And it's huge.
Look, 5 and
It even has a pharmacy.
And there's a Five and Below, a Ross.
GameStop? They have a GameStop over there.
No freaking way.
Steal.
What?
Ow, that's a steal. How did that
Moment of truth. They got wine. He's like, they got a Starbucks.
Show 'em.
Oh, they see it. They know. It's
I
Super
don't even know what we're
Target.
here for. I know hair ties.
Today got toys.
I need to get a new loofah.
Oh, what?
Today got toys here.
A loofah. The dog chewed mine.
Mommy, today got toys
Going
here.
for shopping.
This is gonna be a tough one because now I have to pick a color.
Uh-oh.
Today got toys.
Careful what color you pick.
I know, and I don't know what they mean. So you're gonna be making fun of me while I'm trying to pick my
Today
loofah.
got toys here.
Where do they even sell loofahs?
Probably in bathroom stuff, which is like over here somewhere.
Mama, today got
We'll let you know when we get there because it might be like 6 hours in this giant store.
toys here.
Check out this. Like,
Whoa, there's a cool little.
why?
Oh, wait, blue?
It's only $149. Why? Alright, I found the perfect thing. Sorry. Now to the loofahs. He also bought some Dragon Ball Z stuff for my son. For our son. Oh yeah.
I swear.
He's like, yeah, I bought them for Joshy. What? He said it so easy, like it was fake.
You should ask somebody, excuse me, where's your loofahs?
You should ask him, where are your cards? Ow.
Where's your cards?
Stuck my toe.
Can I get a water
Crock pot. I seriously love this store. I just want to buy that birdhouse for no reason. But like, look at this. Why is that so cute? Or like the freaking chickens.
Or like, what is that?
Well, that's a loofah. All right, guys. We got lost like 3 times. But we found it. Come here. They don't really have that big of a selection.
I want this.
But like, what color?
That's on you. You better pick a color.
Yeah, but like, what do they mean? Because you obviously know what color I would pick.
Purple.
Like, what's that mean? Y'all gonna make fun of me if I get a purple one?
You don't want a purple one.
Black.
Do I want a gray one?
No, you
It's
want
probably
a
a little
purple.
bit better than purple.
What about the blue?
Just pick the one you want.
No,
I need.
I like this color.
Oh, you don't want that color.
Oh, I know what that color. It's a pretty color though.
I need. I
You
need.
can pick it. You just get whatever you want.
I
Don't
need
matter.
deodorant.
No, because they're gonna judge me now.
Just get whatever one you want.
I need deodorant.
This one?
Blue? You don't want a blue.
How about purple?
You don't want any of them.
Okay, where are the rags? Here we go.
Mommy, what about my deodorant?
Hand cloth.
Oh, you don't want a hair cloth.
Why?
You want a super loofah on a stick.
Yeah, 6.
Mm,
Yeah,
I
7
don't know
bucks.
about that. That's 2 colors in one.
Here, Daddy.
No,
You
honestly,
could get feet socks.
What do they say about like
What did she say? Oh yeah, they've
loofah
red.
brushes?
They've red.
Oh yeah, I'm getting a red one.
That's the only one.
oh, you don't want red.
I just wanted to see his reaction. But this is
Get that one.
That's special. That was special.
okay. I will let you know at the end what color we decide. Well, I decide.
You got this. You'll open it till they pay.
What was the $350 payment plan?
I don't know. It was something about they replaced it or something. Something happened to it.
Stop. Did you already scan the skip at M&M's? Okay. Daddy's about to drop the bag.
Me? I ain't even hair ties.
Now can I get a...
In just a second, baby. Go get treats.
Target got them super prices.
Oh wait, they can't see the loofahs yet. You don't get to see the pin. Sorry, guys. Y'all don't get to see the pin, so I had to turn you away.
No, Super Target got them super prices.
Yeah, they do. Thank you, Daddy. How you scratch you? Oh, miserable.
Then you're okay. Be quiet.
Alright.
Have a great day. Thank you, you too. Here, babe. Oh, I gotta turn. This is hard to turn. Don't steal my phone. You little phone thief. You're covering the phone camera. But like, look at that. Liquor, 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 liquor. Ooh, they got a watermelon Malibu.
Go buy it.
I don't need it.
Just go buy it.
I don't need it.
How did they know you did?
Go in there. I'll take them to the car.
Oh, I'll see how much it is. I'll let you know. Depending on the price is what I'll
Get
get.
your card.
I got my card in my, here's Nick's phone.
Here, someone's phone.
Okay. But like choices. Super Target, dude. Oh, fuck. I really want the strawberry, but like, what? Oh. I'm going strawberry. I did it. I cannot wait to try this.
Well, I cannot wait to try this food. Do you know where it's at? I'm lost.
Yes, at the stop sign, turn left. Like, I don't know.
What color loofah you bought? You can't hide that green loofah.
You showed them?
No, I didn't show nobody. I'm just telling them right now.
Don't be
Spoiler alert.
judging, because I was gonna get a rag instead, because y'all made loofahs weird. Y'all made loofahs weird. I gotta wash my butt somehow, dude. At least I'm washing my ass.
That's true.
Let's do this. Pick your boogers. We out here. I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure those were jalapenos. Y'all, it smells so freaking good in here. I'm literally dying. I really want to try that Malibu, but bacon cheeseburger sounds amazing. I got the goods. Oh, I'm so hungry. I even got these goods too.
Put that down, dude. We're driving.
It's not open.
Here's
Ah. But we are headed home. We've got the food. We are going to be going live sometime this week, so we will keep you guys posted on an exact date.
I know, the Mandalorian season, the whole season's over, so we might just do a whole episode dedicated to the entire season and just kind of go through it. We just need a day or so to rewatch all the episodes.
Which I will gladly do.
Yeah, and then we'll have to write down shit so we don't forget.
And we will put that there's
Oh,
spoilers
damn,
in case you
I
haven't.
thought that was a bin full of loofahs showing, but it's flowers.
I mean, you can use your imagination. Loofah on the brain.
Yeah, loofah on the brain, I guess.
But we
I
will.
blame them for corrupting.
Yeah, I blame you guys. That was so hard to pick a damn loofah, and I just want to wash my ass. Like. But we will keep you guys posted on a date and the content of the video.
Live stream.
Yes. So, stay tuned.
Thanks for checking out this video, and we'll see y'all next time. Appreciate you for stopping by, and we'll see y'all on live.
All right, bye guys.